Hey guys, welcome back. If you haven't seen my review of the new sunscreen from Nivea Japan, do please click the link up above or down in the description box below. Today I just want to quickly do a quick review of the Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion with 12% Glycolic Acid, which I got to kind of like help even out my skin tone and clear the hyperpigmentation on my body. I've had this product for like, I think 2 years now, and I'm currently about to exhaust the last bottle, which is why I'm doing this review for you guys. It's a thick lotion that blends fast into the skin but sadly leaves a very sticky finish. This product is not hot weather friendly, and I find myself only using it when the weather is very cool or cold. It has a pH of 4.0 and is recommended for all skin types. It promises to 1. Reduce signs of aging, 2. Relieve dry skin, 3. Leave skin feeling soft and smooth, 4. Supports collagen production, and 5. Even skin tone and texture. Like I said previously, I bought this to help even out my skin tone, and it actually really works. I use it 3 times a week, once a day. Now, as a cheapskate that I am back then, I tried using this product on my face, and it shut down my skin barrier, as in it gave me massive breakouts and the roughest texture ever. I would advise you not to be cheap and use this on your face. They have one that is dedicated for face, so do please get that. Now, the brand claims that it can be used on the face, but they recommend you don't do that, just use it on your body alone. So I advise you to adhere to those instructions. There's no period after opening date on this bottle, but the brand claims that this product is best used within 3 months. Now, then again, if your product has like a 3-month shelf life after opening, why wouldn't you put it on the bottle? Doesn't make any sense to me. So this whole thing just sounds like a gimmick to like sell more products, because in my opinion, like I told you guys, I've had this particular bottle open for over a year now, though I stored it in good conditions, and it still works effectively well. As in, when I apply this on wet skin, it stings like a motherfucker. It still works, gives me the best texture and the best glow ever. So get this. With regards to expiry dates, there's none on the bottle, but you can calculate yours using the batch code beneath the bottle and the guide in the description box below. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll be purchasing this product based on the fact that it's quite sticky and very uncomfortable when the weather is hot. My plans now is to switch to the ordinary 7% glycolic acid, which also is sticky but is a lot more tolerable. If I were living in conditions where I had air conditioning 24/7, I would definitely get this product again, but I don't. So under no condition should you use this product if you have no plans of applying sunscreen. Do not use this product if you do not plan on wearing sunscreen religiously every bloody fucking day. High SPF sunscreen, SPF 50+, PA++++. You need sunscreen if you're going to use this product. If not, your skin will burn. Also, the brand claims that you can use this morning and night every blessed day. Please use it once a day, max 3 times weekly. If you use it more than that, you risk damaging your skin barrier and you're on your own. And I think that's all for this review. If you like it, do please give it a thumbs up, do please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video when I have strength to vlog, because this shit is not easy. Bye guys.